Hi guys, in this tutorial video, we are going to do customized door like the image shown here. Okay, so first things first, we're going to draw a room. Okay, so let's say this is my room. Then remember, go to floor plan. Down here, you can scroll, go to doorway and drag to this wall. Okay, and then you can select the doorway and adjust the length here. Let's say I make it 1008. You can also adjust the height. Change it to 2005. Then you can go to 3D or room view. So this is the doorway. You can go to display and hide cornice and base molding. Then you can go to customize. You can go to aluminium function. Then you can go to winter garden. Okay, click this button, go to winter garden. Okay, in winter garden, you can see this kind of wireframe. So here you can go to 3D and room view. I'm using room view. Then you need to draw a surface on the doorway. So you draw rectangle from corner to corner. Okay, from endpoint to endpoint. Then you can go to surface design. Select the surface and go to 2D design. Okay, click this button, go to 2D design. Alright, so this is the blank surface. You can drag auto to the surface. And you can divide into a few sections. You can use draw mullion. Click this button, you can draw a mullion here. Okay, or you can use this button, select the surface first, and you can use these buttons to quickly cut it. Okay, quickly divide it into vertical section like this. Okay, if you divide half like this, but you can select the mullion and adjust the length. Okay, you can drag left and right to adjust the length. Alright, you can also type in this number down here to adjust the length. Alright, so make sure you adjust the mullion first. Okay, I adjust the height 2001. And then you can click complete. This is how it looks like. All the mullion will be changed into frame, aluminum frame like this. Okay, and the front surface will become glass. Alright, then you can click return. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can click return, exit the aluminium function. Okay, then when I drag the wooden door, you can go to customize. You can use any function from here. Usually we use storage function. So you can go to storage. You can go to the first button up here and change to component class. Okay, component class. Then the second button, you can go to plate type. You can drag super panel. And one more thing, you can also use this glass panel. Okay. Here we have glass panel. But since we're using wooden texture, so you can drag front riser. Okay, so you drag to the door and you can adjust the sizing. Okay, so the width I will change around 1100. And then the height 2100. Okay, so for the sizing you adjust manually lah. Okay, then you can press Z button to move the panel. Okay, press Z, select the panel and adjust the position, move it forward a bit. Okay, adjust the position and then you can press escape button. Press escape button on your keyboard to exit the function lah. Alright, then we need to cut the panel, okay, into a long strip. Okay, so you can press B button on your keyboard, press B, select the panel and click this button down here, cut hole. Cut hole. Okay, you can drill rectangle shape. Okay, this one. Select this rectangle shape and then you can zoom a bit. You will see this number. Okay, you can increase this number. Let's say 200, it will move to the right. Okay, so you adjust this number to move the drill shape. Okay, and then you can adjust the sizing as well. So here I will change around 800. Okay, then for the rectangle, you can adjust the size here. Let's say length 2100. Length is actually the height. Okay, the width around 120. Okay, so this is the rectangle shape. And then don't forget to adjust the distance from the bottom, 0. So it will snap to the bottom. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We create a hole here. Then you can drag another panel. You can drag front riser as well. Actually, you can use any panel, but since I don't want to rotate it, so I just drag front riser. Okay, so this one I will adjust the sizing, same as the rectangle size just now. So the height will be 2100. And then remember to move it, you can press Z button and then adjust the position. You can drag to the rectangle. So this one is a bit overlapping, so I will reduce the size a bit. 120. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay. Then for the door handle, okay, you can drag another panel. Okay, for the door handle, I will use front riser as well. Drag here. This one I will change the size with around 150, and then the height around 400. Okay, and I adjust the thickness as well. Depth 50 mm. Okay, so this is for the handle part. Then remember, press Z button to move it. Okay, you adjust the position carefully, drag it up a bit. So this is how it looks like. You can press escape, exit the move function. Then you can try change the door color. Alright. You can press B button first. Press B on your keyboard, select the panel and change the material. Select this box right here and you can change the color from the library. Find any color you like. Let's say this color. Okay, so this is a wooden texture. You can rotate the wooden texture as well. Just tick this button to rotate it. Alright. Then select this rectangle. Okay, and then choose different color. Double click. You can also use this brush icon up here. Then go to Material Painter. Select this color and paste on this panel. Okay, so this is a copy paste method. Alright, so this is a final look. I think you guys can try it out. Thank you guys for watching.